In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add the View Shop button on Instagram. Let's get started. Before you begin, it's important to know that the View Shop button is only available for eligible businesses. You'll need to use a professional business account. For that, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right. Now head over to the option Account Type and Tools. Now switch your account to the professional account. After you do that, navigate back to your profile page. Now here you're going to find the option of Professional Dashboard. Click on that. Now here different options will appear. Look for the option Shop. Once you find that, click on that. Instagram will explain the benefits of creating a shop, including displaying products on your profile, tagging products in posts and reels, and accessing shopping insights. Tap Get Started to continue. Next step is to connect your Instagram business to Facebook page and Meta Business Manager, as these are required to use Instagram shopping. Follow the on-screen instructions to link the correct Facebook page and add your account to the Meta Business Center if prompted. If you don't already have a Meta Business account, you will be guided through creating one during the setup process. After connecting your accounts, you'll need to choose or create a product catalog. If you already use an e-commerce platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Adobe e-commerce, you can connect your existing catalog to Instagram. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new catalog manually using Meta Commerce Manager, add your products there. Once you have finished the setup, submit your shop for review. The review process may take several days depending on your account and region. After your shop is approved, you'll be able to tag products in your posts, stories, and reels. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily add View Shop button on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.